No. What does it mean? Okay.
It doesn't matter. Do you understand that? What does it mean first?
Okay. Does it then relate to what year you were
Yeah.
in the year of?
Okay. This year is 2004. Am I right?
Uh-huh.
According to Chinese horoscope, we have two numbers in our life in that year. Any day, actually any day, any time, there's always two numbers. What is heaven? What is earth? We cannot escape them. And then those numbers also are relate to five elements. Okay? So those numbers in this year, 2004, and how we find out what is the heaven number. What's the number in heaven? It's based on this chart. 4 wood. Next year, also wood. 2006 is fire. Do you understand that? So that is only one number we find out on heaven. Okay? And then now we need to find out the earth number. It's about which animals they born. So it's not all on the year of the on year of the goat. But there's so many goats. There's a 5 element goats. Wood, fire, earth, metal, and water goat. So which goat you belong to? That is, those 5 elements is heaven number. Do you follow me?
I think I missed that last part.
It's about, what, do you know, everybody said which year you born, okay? Then we'll find out the size of animal, okay? Any size of animal. Upon the year of the rabbit, okay? But it's not just the year of the rabbit, that's simple. That must have either wood rabbit, fire rabbit, or earth rabbit. The wood rabbit, fire rabbit, that wood and fire, the earth, all this, that explanation, the attitude is the heaven number. We call it heaven number. It's based on this one. How we find out? It's been set up for thousands of years. Okay? And then, how do we know which animals we belong to? 1970, I put a size here. So it's a dog. I'll make sure the circle go this way. Clockwise. So if that person is 1975, which animals belong they should be? 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. Rabbit. Okay? So at the end you can just count it in your fingers if you can really memory all this. And then because of 5, it's wood. So it's wood rabbit. Anybody understand it? Does anybody don't understand this? Okay, test. 85. More than 1985. Tell me about what animal, what element?
Wood element.
What's that?
In wood ox.
Ox. Why ox?
5. That's monkey on hand.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3,
5.
4.
85. Because 85, you totally correct. So it's wood, in-wood ox. Anybody have a question for that? Anyone?
Yeah, I need to go through it again. Can I just go through? I had thought that said 80, so I was.
Okay, you've got to explain it. Because sometimes it may be easy from.
Yeah.
Okay.
How you find out in-wood ox?
So it's 85, right? It goes in a circle around here. Monkey right on the tip of the pinky here. It's 80. And you count 5 past that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Got it.
And then 85. Put the chart there. 5 is the in-wood.
Okay, got it. Sorry, I thought that that had said 80, so I was confused, but it says
Correct.
50.
Yeah, the source is 50.
Here.